Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. So let's look at the text which is given here, and the directions for the text is what? Answer the following question based on the information provided below. Well, we understood the text. Let's move to the question. The question here asked, how does the author describe the role of ethics in the nursing profession? According to the passage. Now, if you look at the third paragraph of the passage, it is stated nursing as a profession has been traditionally a profession of the nurturing of as well as the caring for the patient, isn't it? So, and until the latter part of the 20th century, nursing was also historically a professional for women. It should come as no surprise. So, first thing is called as a means how does the author describe the role of ethics in the nursing profession? That an ethic of care approach to moral decision making would be embraced by nurses as well as by women in other healthcare professions, up to and including the professions of medical doctors. Now, look at the choices which are provided here. The first choice stated as a framework exclusively for women in the healthcare, right? So this option as a framework exclusively for women in healthcare, as far as looking at the third paragraph, right? So can we draw that the passage mentions that nursing was what? You can say that nursing was traditionally, isn't it? So, and a female dominated profession, isn't it? A profession for women, right? But doesn't suggest that the ethics of care is exclusively for women, right? Embraces by nurses as well as by women in other healthcare profession, up to and including the profession of medical doctors, right? So, and it is stated that in no way is this suggest that this ethics of care would either intentionally or in practice preclude men from identifying with it also, right? In the early 21st century, this approach to patient care in medical facility as well as in allied health care facility became almost mainstream in many society across the globe, with accrediting agencies offering their respective seals of approval for those medical organizations that are successfully in treating patients over holistically. It should go without saying that many are the healthcare professionals who would choose to nurture and to care for their own patient in the same way, with or without the existence of any such accrediting agencies. Now, in this case, we we can't say that it is exclusively for women, right? So, because it doesn't suggest that the ethics of care is exclusively for women. So, in that case, one is disrupting the idea. Second, what does the second statement said? As a holistic approach to patient care that is increasingly recognized globally. Yes. So we can say that what nursing profession is a holistic approach, which is indicated here that what uh, yeah, accrediting agency offering their respective seals of approval for those medical organizations that are successful in treating patients holistically. Now, in that case, we can say author described the role of ethics in the nursing profession as nothing but a holistic approach to patient care. So, therefore, we can consider the answer should be option two, isn't it? Now, let's look at the uh, option three. What does it say? So option three said adds a set of rigid rules guiding patient treatment. Now this option is not the correct one, right? Why? Because the passage does not describe the ethics of care as rigid rules, but as a compassionate and nurturing approach to patient care. So hence we can say option three is eliminated. Four, as a discipline that nurses have historically been excluded from. This option is again called as a wrong. Uh, the passage indicates that nurses have historically embraced the ethics of care, not been excluded from, right? So this is what it is pointed, would be embraced by nurses as well as by women in other healthcare professions. So cannot be called as excluded from. So therefore, the correct choice is option two, right? Because it accurately describes the ethics of care in nursing as a holistic approach, right? Holistic approach that is recognized and endorsed globally. Okay. Hence, we can consider option 2 would be the correct one. That's all. Thank you.